We are back again today, 2020 Road King Special, with the added bonus of a native bagger fat tire kit. Look at that beast. Oh man, black on black on black. Of course, to be a special, it's got the 114, all the goodies, extended bags, all that fun stuff. And I get the pleasure of taking it out for a test ride today and get some pictures. Let's get her started. Oh, already off the bat falling in love. I've actually been a fan of the Road King ever since I drove the white one in the Bonneville Salt Denim, and then I saw it with a fat tire kit and I definitely fell in love. So I'm going to enjoy this ride. Okay, I'm in trouble. I am so in trouble. I know I love my Roadster and all, but oh man, I'm really falling in love with this bike. I am really falling in love with this bike. Oh man, my wife's gonna be mad at me. Like I said, 2020 Road King Special 114 cubic inch motor, Milwaukee 8, with a native customs or native baggers fat tire kit. This is all put on by Hampton Harley-Davidson, so thank them guys for letting me take this thing out for a ride. It was also, they put a lowering kit on here too. I forget what size kit they put on there, but I'll leave a link in the below, or I'll leave a description below for all that. But whew, man, this bike is beautiful. I'm in love, so in love. And the best thing about it is too, because it's got the extended bags and everything, and you know, I do my vlogging and picture taking and all that stuff. I got all my camera and everything, extra cameras right in that bag. Fits perfect. Well, almost didn't fit, but we made it fit. It doesn't have as much pep as my Roadster does, so that was a little different. And the rear end bounced around a little bit, you know, when it was hitting bumps and everything out there. But I definitely think I could step it up. Oh man, as much as I love the Roadster, like I really love my Roadster and everything, but this is, I could ride this thing all day. And man, I'm just at a loss for words. I really wanted the Bonneville Salt Denim, the white bike, but blacked out like this, 114 Special, blacked out motor, black wheels, fat tire. Oh man. Now, this is the, I think it's like 2018, 2019 wheel style. Of course, the 2020s come with a different wheel style. So they just by chance put this one on here. Either way, it looks good. I would definitely want the 2020 style wheel though, so it matches the back. But I'm really excited about this bike, and I'm beating myself up now because I know when I go home, I'm gonna be talking about it. I'm gonna be in trouble with the wife. This will look good in my garage though. So other than that, I think I'm gonna go ahead, stop the video here, maybe do like, give you a little ride back, whatever, back to the dealership. But as far as commentary right here, go ahead and cut it off. I'm gonna shoot some video, get some pictures and everything. Before we do, I'll go ahead and tell you, this is one of my favorite spots out here too, because right here you got, I guess you'd call it the York River, but Yorktown's right over there. The Yorktown Bridge, whatever name is called, whatever, but it's just beautiful out here. I love it. You know, anytime I jump on my bike, this is the first place I want to come ride out to. You know, some people all in riding up in the mountains and everything. I like coming out here by the water, enjoy the scenery and all that stuff. This is a beautiful bike. I'm in love. So, and I would definitely encourage everyone else, come out here or go to your local Harley dealership and test ride one. All right, guys, let's go ahead, get this thing back to the dealership. Think about that beautiful view. All right, camera, Molly, like this stuff. I really fell in love with this bike. I don't know how many times I gotta say it, but oh man, I don't know. Guess I gotta take it on back. And I do want to say, actually, I mean, the whole point of this video too, with the fat tire kit, I want everybody to know, like, I've heard different stories like, it makes it a little harder to turn, makes it a little easier to turn. In my opinion, it makes the bike ride so much more comfortable, and I don't have any trouble turning. It's a fun bike, it's a comfortable bike. My old man self, I'm really, oh man, I'm beating myself up. My bike's about paid off. Do I really want to get into another payment? But all right guys, I guess I'll wrap the commentary up, and we'll just enjoy the ride back to the dealership and pass it back off. I'll go home and dream the night. This is the longest red light ever. All right guys, we're back. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks to Hampton Roads Harley-Davidson again for letting me do this test ride.
La 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 la.